Hello, my fans. Make we solve this question. You say, what is the equivalent capacitance between the terminals? Which one be terminals? See this one. T, they represent terminals. This one are terminal. Between this terminal, what is equivalent? Equivalent means the total capacitance. Total capacitance of all these capacitors where they are. First thing first, you go check this particular circuit. This particular circuit, the capacitance where they are, then connect them in series or in parallel. Wetin be the series or parallel connection? This capacitor 1, they in parallel to this capacitor 2, and they in series to this capacitor 3. That's the resultant of this capacitor 1 and 2 go dey in series with this one, because this one and this one dey in parallel connection. Then if you resolve this one, you can form only one capacitor. Then you can dey in series with this particular one. So make we solve this one first. If you fit get this one, if you get the total capacitance, which is the equivalent capacitance wey dey ask us, make we solve. So wetin you go do first thing first na to solve this one. To get the equivalent capacitance of a capacitor connected in parallel, the formula na C equivalent or C total equal to C1 plus C2. Why we use C1 plus C2? Because this one and this one wey dey in this particular parallel connection, they are C1, label C1 and C2. If you use any other thing, carry indicate them. So C equivalent now will be equal to, wetin be C1? C1 na 0.05 plus wetin be C2? C2 na wetin? 0.1. 0.1. So if you add this one, remember all of them dey in microfarad. This micro means 10 to the power of -6. So we no need to convert them from microfarad to farad. Why? Because this one, all the capacitors where they are all in microfarad. So no need to convert them to micro. That means the final answer we will get will still be in microfarad. You understand? So now wetin be 0.05? Make we use calculator. Suppose to 0.15, but make we check. 0.05 plus 0.1. Na fans, wetin this one dey give me na 0.15 as I tell you. So C equivalent will be equal to 0.15. Remember the unit for capacitor na farad, but since this one dey microfarad, this one dey microfarad, we will put the answer in microfarad. E don balance. Now we don do this thing. It means say we don resolve these two capacitors. Can't get only one single capacitor. Do you understand? So wetin we do now? I go redraw this circuit. When I redraw the circuit, you see wetin will become. So I get the terminal here. See the first capacitor we see here, where this one wey dey label say na C3, 0.3 microfarad. These two we can join together, can give us this one. Now be this one here. See the last terminal wey dey here. This one at the first terminal, the last terminal. So this one at the value of this one now waiting. Maybe we term this C equivalent to C4. Then this value now is 0.15 microfarad. You understand? So because you say this capacitor and this one, they dey in series now. They know they're in parallel. You understand? So what you can do now to calculate the equivalent capacitance of these capacitors connected in series. The formula now 1 over C equivalent. If you still use C total, 1 over C total equal to 1 over C3 plus 1 over C4. Very simple. So what you can do for this place now? 1 over C equivalent now will be equal to 1 over wetin be C3. C3 now 0.3 plus C4 now wetin 0.15. So normally you suppose look for the LCM of the denominator, abi, then start finding, but I no want follow you that LCM route and that fast shortcut day. So yeah, 1 over C equivalent will be equal to, I will use this one multiply by 1, use one multiply by this one, use one multiply by this one. See 0.15 times 1. If you still take LCM, no while out. 0.15 times 1 will be 0.15. Bring this sign with there. If na minus, write minus. If na plus, write plus. 0.3 times 1 is 0.3. 0.3 over 0.3 times 0.15. Make we check. 0.15. It give me 0.045. So what you go do now? Add the numerator. 0.15 plus 0.3. What you give us? 0.45. Divide by 0.045. So what you go do now, you go divide them now, abi. So 0.45 divide 0.045. Wetin give us na 10. The answer give me 10. 10 wetin? 10 microfarad. But we never finish. This one no be the answer. Remember say e dey find the C equivalent, no be one inverse of the C equivalent. So what you go do now, for you to get this one, this 10 just be like over 1. 10 over 1 is the same thing as 10 now. I put am in fraction because this one dey in fraction. So because e dey find this C equivalent, no be 1 over C equivalent, e go flip am, turn am upside down. If this C equivalent go up, 1 come down, it means 1 here go go up, 10 microfarad come down. So you can get C equivalent over 1 equal to 1 over 10 microfarad. You know say C equivalent divided by 1 are still C equivalent equal to 1 over 10 na still 1 over 10. Maybe you check 1 over 10, wetin 1 over 10? 1 divided by 10 is supposed to give you 0.1. 0.1 microfarad. Now this one will be the answer to this particular question. So they say, what is the equivalent capacitance? Now be the equivalent capacitance 0.1 microfarad. Now be the answer to this particular question. I believe say as I break them down, the thing enter well. Don't forget to join our June class. But if you never subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. But don't forget to like this video. I see plenty likes now. Share them too. If you like, drop comment, finish, share them. Me, I don't come to help you. I go find another thing I want to do for you. I don't come out.